You ever go to open your car, and as you get inside, you sit down and reach for the door handle, and you realize it's gummy? Alright, so no joke, every time I get in my car and I feel that in my hand, I get disgusted. So this thing, this piece right here, it gets kind of gummy over time, and the more and more you handle it, especially if you wear rings, it tends to kind of dig into the rubber. The more and more you feel it, it starts kind of eating into that rubber. And I don't know what kind of material it actually is, but it's like it's real sticky once it starts eating through it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys today how to replace that interior handle piece with this one. So the piece that I actually bought, I bought it from Amazon, and I paid, I think in total like 45 bucks for both sets, for the left and the right. Just heads up, this is actually not the OEM piece, so this is actual plastic, which in turn, actually, I'm kind of glad that I bought this one because it's gonna be more durable over time, and it has the same indentations that you will get in the OEM look. The only thing is, and it's a little bit darker than the OEM one and a little bit glossier. Again, I'll leave the description down below if you guys want to buy the Saxon one that I got. Comparing this one to that one, inside of it is actually the same. The clips are all on the exact same sides. I've actually went ahead and put them on, so I'm going to show you guys how to remove the old one and put in the new one. But I've had this on for about a week now. It's a super easy installed, and I can't really even tell the difference when I go grab it between the OEM one and this one. It's such a minimal piece that it's not something super noticeable. If you guys want to go with the cheaper, opt out for the cheaper piece. But anyways, let's get to showing you guys how to remove it and how to put in the new one. Alright guys, so the way that I did it, and you guys can kind of see right here how it's starting to be really faded away, especially in the top area. Right here where you mostly grab it, you can't even see, it's pretty smooth out, so you can't even see the texture anymore of this piece. So over time, like I said, this thing gets really bad, and it's just nasty, really. It's even nasty when you go touch it. You leave kind of some residue, sticky residue. The way that I replace it, and the easiest way that I found, was to actually go ahead and start from this corner side and start removing it all up until this side. You literally just pop it out. I'll grab it from the bottom, so just like this, okay, until you get to the top, and just pops out. You can see that it's very, very super similar as far as the clips go. On both sides, both ends, it's all the exact same thing. The only difference is, of course, this is not in, well, the plastic one, it's not an OEM BMW piece. As you can tell, this one, maybe if you can see it there, it has the BMW logo. This one, this is garbage. This goes in the garbage. And then the way to put in the new one is actually the opposite of the way that you put in, that you take off the old one. So, and you can even tell the difference in color real quick. You can tell that the OEM one has more of this matte look to it, whereas the new piece actually has more of a shine or a gloss to it, and it's darker, so it's black compared to more of like a grayish look to the OEM factory look. So once you have that off, I'll start off on this top piece right here. So you just line up the holes, okay, just like that, and just start clipping away. That's it. Alright guys, and it's as easy as that. Done. That's it. Up to you guys. You guys tell me what you think, whether you like that or not. It's all within perspective, right? So again, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're almost at 500. I'm actually at 499 as of this moment, as of today. We're at 499, so I'm just one subscriber away from 500, and I'm halfway there, guys. I'm just trying to find things to do and whatnot, so trying to get creative. So let's see. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later, guys.